Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Ethique Shampoo Bar Sampler Set. This is a product that I actually received as a gift several months ago, but never got around to opening it. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take a look at the packaging, we'll discuss the general product, we'll discuss what comes in the sampler set as far as shampoo bars, and then I'll take it out, kind of discuss the overall aroma. And then my plan is, what I'll do is I'll use these shampoo bars over the upcoming months, and then I'll do a follow-up video in the future to discuss my general impressions of the bars and whether I would recommend it to those of you that are watching right now. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Ethique Shampoo Bar Sampler Set. You can currently get it on their website for $20, or you can go to Amazon and get it on Amazon for about $15. I'll leave links in the description below. But the purpose of this sampler set is really, it's to expose you to Ethique and kind of get you exposed to all their shampoo bars in one single product. And so in this product is going to be 5 separate shampoo bars. There's going to be the Frizz Wrangler, the Heali Kiwi, St. Clements, the Guardian, and then the WonderBar. All basically are shampoo bars that they have larger quantities that they sell for $16 on their website. The samples in this container are going to be about 20 grams. So really you can try this out, see if you like it, and then kind of pick whichever shampoo bar you want from there. Additionally, the shampoo bars are going to be sample size, so they're going to basically be more travel friendly, so you can bring them to hotels and on airplanes and all that sort of thing. As far as that, beyond that, shampoo bars in general are really favorable as far as not incorporating plastic bottles. And so the overall aim of using these bars is it really allows you to save water, minimize waste. Additionally, for every order that they have, they plant 1 tree, so that it's better for the environment, and also the materials that they produce are compostable as well, as far as the box and everything like that. So you can look at more on the website, but as far as the actual packaging, for the hair sampler, it comes in this container. They've got 5 solid mini bars, as you can see here. It's going to be pH balanced for hair. It's suitable for color treated hair as well. On the side here, it lists all their different certifications. So real quick, I'll read it off. It's compostable as far as packaging, certified palm oil free. It's cruelty free and vegan friendly. It's sustainably and naturally resourced. It's direct trading, New Zealand made. Be certified as far as a corporation, and 20% of profits go to charity. And then in here they list all the different products that come in this box. So as we discussed, we have the different bars, which I'll go over here. And then lastly, it lists the different ingredients on the or the different bars on the side as well here. So it's a nice convenient packaging as far as the bars. Real quick, these are all the bars for the sampler set. So they're all heart-shaped, and we'll go over each of them one by one. So first off, we have the Frizz Wrangler, which is this kind of beige one here. It's really tailored for solid, it's for dry and frizzy hair. It recommends thoroughly wet your hair, swipe the bar several times through your roots, and put the bar back down, and work the product through your hair and lather it up. And as far as the overall aroma, it's like a faint, I don't know how you would describe it. It's a faint kind of coconut, cocoa buttery smell. It's very subtle. It's a nice faint smell, not too strong. It's got a like kind of waxy consistency, not too soft or anything like that, but that's the Frizzy Wrangler, so it's really tailored towards dry or frizzy hair, and it's more of a coconut aroma as far as that. Next up, this next one is going to be the Heali Kiwi, and this is for, they say, for touchy scalps. It has the instructions here as well, which are virtually identical. Let me smell it real quick. And so there's this faint, for this one, it's a faint kind of kiwi kind of scent. And on their website, they really list state that this is really for those of you that have scalp problems. So it has kiwi fruit oil, coconut oil, neem oil, oats, and karanja oil. So it's really for sensitive scalps, and it's got like a faint kiwi aroma. Very similar to this, but there's just a faint kiwi aroma to it. And then next up we have the St. Clements. So this is for oily hair. So St. Clements It's got like a lime orangish kind of citrusy smell. It's very subtle. Like, to be honest, when you smell each of these, there's a very like subtle hint of smell. It's not too strong, not too pungent or anything like that. But this is going to be tailored towards those of you that have more oily hair. And those that you don't really need to condition your hair. So that's the St. Clements, and so it's more of a lime kind of smell. Next up, we have the Guardian. So this is for normal to dry hair, and let me smell this. And very similar, it's like a cocoa butter, coconut smell. On their website, they list that this has B5 and zesty lime oil within it. And it's really tailored for very dry, very damaged or frizzy hair to smooth it out and kind of make it more luscious and smooth. And that's really it for that. So actually, this is a solid conditioner. So actually, mistakenly, let me make sure I didn't mix anything. So the first three are actually shampoo bars. So shampoo, 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 and this is actually conditioner. So this is actually a conditioner. So it does have a waxy, more of a waxy feel, but this is actually a conditioner rather than a shampoo. So keep that in mind, but we'll keep those out so you can delineate them. And then lastly, you have the WonderBar. So this is another solid conditioner. And this again has a very subtle coconut, like coconut cocoa butter kind of smell, and this is tailored for oily to normal hair, and that's that. So you have the 3 shampoo bars, you have the 2 conditioner bars. I actually didn't know that this shampoo bar set had conditioner bars. I thought that these were all going to be shampoo bars, so it's really nice to have all the mix of everything. But you can basically kind of try out this sampler pack, shampoo with it, with the shampoo bar. What I recommend is wet your hair, shampoo with it, and then rinse it out after a minute or 2. And then the conditioner bars, what I recommend is after you shampoo, just basically wet your hair, rub this through, condition it evenly throughout your whole scalp, go about your normal shower routine, and then rinse it out at the end. But overall, this, from my experience, shampoo bars last way more than traditional like bottled shampoo and conditioners. It's much more affordable, much better for the environment. So this is the Ethique sampler set. What you can do is try this out. If you find you like one over the other, you can go to their website and pick up the larger bar there. And hopefully by doing that, using the sampler set, you can really tailor it to your hair quality or your hair type and things like that. So if you have questions, comments, post them below, but hopefully this was helpful. What I'll do is I'll try these out over the upcoming months and then circle back and do a follow-up video on this. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.